In this video, I'm going to show you how to add or deposit money to Phantom Wallet. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Phantom application. Then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on this button over here that says buy towards the top. And from here, you need to go ahead and select on what cryptocurrency you would like to actually purchase. So for this video, we're going to be purchasing some Solana. So go ahead and press on it like so, and then go ahead and enter in the amount of Solana that you would like to purchase. But keep in mind that you will need a minimum of $5. And essentially, we could use our credit or debit card to purchase cryptocurrency, and it will therefore add that money into our Phantom wallet. So let's go ahead and let's just buy $5 worth of Solana like so. And then over here, you will now notice that there will be an option that says credit and debit card. So from here, you guys could have the option to pay with all of these different methods. So we got Robinhood, Buying Power, Google Pay, AHC. Basically, go ahead and select on whichever works for you, whichever one is easiest for you. So as you're able to tell, we have a bunch of different options over here. We got Stripe and Coinbase Pay. So for this video, I'm just going to be using on Stripe because that is the more easier one for me. So I'm just going to go ahead and select on it like so. And then once you selected a payment method, go ahead and press on buy. And from here, it might make you log into whatever provider you're using. So since we did use Stripe, it did make me log into Stripe. So you will need to do that. But basically, once you confirm everything, all you need to do is you need to go ahead and press on continue. And from there, you should get cash or money in your Phantom wallet in the form of Solana crypto. Or it could be whatever crypto you decide to purchase. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.